Grok is no longer free. After they have allowed us to get used to Grok, they now decided to change the plan to $30 monthly. That is much. They should have even started with at least something that we can afford. And we all know that Grok Imagine is one of the best AI tools that you can use for your image generation and your video generation. Grok is really amazing, and we're already getting used to it. So in this video, I will be showing you another alternative that you can make use of Grok and it will still do the same thing Grok is doing. So someone told me about, subscribing to my X account, that is the Twitter, that I should subscribe to the premium account. I decided to do that. Let me just show you how I do that. But I eventually see that it did not still give me the access to use Grok AI. I went to my X account and I click on the premium. So there are a lot of plans there. So I just click on the basic one. I think there's another plan, there's standard, and there's another plan. The next plan was like 7,000 and the other one was 39,000. So I decided to just do this 3,050 naira and see if I'll still have access to the Grok AI. So I paid the amount and they moved me to Grok Premium. So and I went to Grok AI. I try and log in with my Hex account. There are two options that you can use to log in. I try and log in with my X account and I try to generate an image. I also try to generate a video. When I generated an image, it went well. But when I try to generate a video, like the way we used to do that, we are going to prompt it, then we are saying that it should do one or two things. Okay, this is me prompting it here. Then I try to click on generate. So I noticed that it still says I should pay. So I think that did not really work. It's still saying I should pay. So it's saying I should upgrade to another premium super Grok and all. But in this video, I'll be showing you another way that you can use. So this is the name of this website. This website already has Grok inside. You can see it has Sora 2, it has VEO, it has Grok. So you can access Grok with this website. Just go to your browser, then search for this website that you are seeing on the screen. Then we are going to log in with our Gmail address. So you have to register with your Google. So once you click register with Google, then you are going to select whatever email address you want to use. Then this is the website. So you can see you can generate image, video gen, speech gen, dialogue gen. This website is really loaded and they give you 40 credits every day, and you cannot even exceed the 40 credit because I tried to generate up to like 10 videos and the 40 credit is still there. So what will you do if you actually exhaust the 40 credit? You can just use another email address and the next day they are going to renew the credit for you. So you can see that you can select Grok for your image generation. So let's just try and put it to test. So I'll click on video gen. So once I click on video gen, I'm going to prompt it. So make sure you click on Grok. There are other tools you can use. There's Sora, there's VEO. Just make sure you click on Grok. Then you select the aspects you want. So you can choose landscape, portrait. It depends on what you actually want to create. Then the resolution, you are going to leave it in 480. Once you change it to 720, then I think you remove more credit. I leave it in 60 seconds. Then after your video is being created, you can extend it if you want to extend it. If you have not still followed this channel, please click on the bell and follow so that when I drop update like this, you're not going to miss anything. So I have copied my prompt, then I've pasted it in the prompt section. So once you paste it, you are going to click on generate. Then the video will be loading from here. So you see that is exactly what we used to get from Grok website. It's exactly, there's no change. So I think there was something that affected my generation. So I'll just go again and copy my scene, and I'm going to paste it in the prompt, and you will see what it actually generated for me. So my image is ready. You can see, you can just go to this place and download it. If you don't like this, you can recreate it, or you can also expand it. This is exactly what we used to have access to in the official Grok website, but we can also do that same thing here in this website. I also generated another video like this. So this website is another alternative we can use to have access to Grok AI. So do well and just explore the website, and you are going to get everything that you are looking for. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, so that when I see any other update concerning AI tools like this or any other thing, I'll be dropping it here. Thank you again. See you in the next video.